Now, what you've done here is you've drawn something up and you actually called it a contract.
We did, yeah.
That's very good. And the reason that's good is because it immediately creates a legally binding agreement between the two of you, which I would never be able to assist you with, or any other court, in the absence of you doing it. And I understand very clearly that English is not your first language.
No, it's not.
So I in no way criticise the language. You said your name, you've borrowed, Emma, £1,700, and you will borrow money to Emma on the account. She agrees to pay back £30 every 2 weeks, which is a reasonable sum. Now, did you come up with that sum because you talked about what benefits were available to her and came to a view that that was just within what she probably could afford?
Yes, it was.
Again, very sensible. I will borrow this money to Emma on the account. She agrees to pay back £30 every 2 weeks to start on the first week of April. Any missed payments will incur a £10 charge per month. A record is also meant to be kept of payments by Emma, and there's I think it's your partner. Richard, Emma's partner, is also a witness. Emma is borrowing this money. That's quite simply the most sensible contract I've seen in my court for an amateur arrangement, and it's very important.
Yeah.
Safe to say that it all went horribly wrong. Did you make the first repayment, Emma?
I did make one, yes.
She makes one repayment. What happened to the second repayment?
It was quite a gap because my claim got stopped.
What do you mean your claim got stopped, please?
I missed an appointment and they closed my claim down.
In other words, they turned off the benefit tap.
Yes.
That's not a problem, is it, Emma? Because immediately you got in touch with Dagmar and you said, Dagmar, I'm so sorry. I cannot pay this money back. I know how important it is to you. Give me more time. This is what the situation is. Once I've resolved the dispute with the council, the first priority I have is to start paying you the money. And by the way, in the meantime, why don't you go and do something nice for yourself while I babysit every night for the next month? Do you remember receiving a message like that, Dagmar?
I wish I did. If she made a contact like that to me, then I will give her more time. We could discuss it again, over again.
You wouldn't be here.
No, I wouldn't.